This channel you're seeing here got her watch hour and subscribers in less than 3 months on YouTube, and now she is monetized. This other channel you are seeing here got his watch hour and subscribers on YouTube in less than 1 year, and now he is monetized. This last channel you're seeing here, which is this my channel as well, got monetized on YouTube just 3 months on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what you can also do to get the 4,000 watch hour and the 1,000 subscribers and get monetized as fast and as quick as possible. And some of these strategies I'm going to be sharing with you, they are strategies that work. So if it is not working, we are not sharing. And most of these things I'm also going to be sharing with you are things that I personally do for me to get the watch hour, the subscribers, to get monetized on this YouTube street. So if you're looking forward to get monetized on YouTube, this is an opportunity for you to get monetized on YouTube. Now, with that being said, let's get right into this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are cute. If this is the first time tuning in, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's get right into this video. The first thing for you to do, I'm going to be starting my screen and I'm attaching it here, is for you to do live stream. And if you guys can check this first channel that I showed you guys that got monetized in less than 3 months, you can see that she just live streamed 1 hour ago. And apart from she live streaming 1 hour ago, you can take a look at some of her live streams that she have here. And if you're seeing the thumbnail is very catchy. And if you're seeing what she's basically doing on this live stream, there's something that is very simple. So you can see a lot of views here. You can see even a video of 178K view, as you guys are seeing here. Now, if I click on one of these videos so that you guys can see exactly what is happening here, you can see that ads is displaying on her channel, which simply means she is monetized, right? Now, if you check what she's doing on her live stream, basically, they are just simple tasks that you can also do. And the live stream that she's actually using is what? Restream. So with Restream, you will be able to like feature your videos and loop your videos, and your videos will continue to roll till any hour that you want to disconnect it. Now, if you want to do this same Restream, what I advise you to do is make sure it is a minimum of 1 hour and maximum of 10 hours. For me, I prefer you do the maximum of 10 hours. Don't do Restream till 12 hours. YouTube will not count them. You understand what I'm trying to say? So you need to do Restream to minimum of 1 hour and maximum of 10 hours. I don't know what is wrong with my network. My network is disturbing. Let me switch data so that you guys can see exactly what she's doing here. So you can see that basically what she do is she is just doing ASMR cutting. And she cuts watermelon, she cuts different type of fruits. So these are the kind of things that can definitely be catchy for you to be able to watch on Restream. And this video is being created by her. So if she creates this video, automatically this Restream will not have any cost of copyright or anything. Can you guys see what she's doing? Now let's go to her another live stream. Let's check out what she's cutting in another one. This one, she have 42,000 views. You can see ASMR cutting apple and pear and relaxing slice sound. Can you see that this is not even difficult? And this video is a video that is even less than 1 minute, just 1 minute video. She loop it on Restream, and once the video is going, a lot of people are coming to watch and people are coming to subscribe. And you can see that she has accumulated 3,013 subscribers within just 3 months on YouTube. You understand? Now, this same channel that I'm showing you, she have a video on how to Restream, and I'm going to be linking that video in the description box or in the comment section. So if you don't know how to Restream or you're still confused on Restream, check out how to Restream on YouTube using that particular link that I'm going to share to you. And please subscribe and tell her you are coming from Vibe with Sonia. Which brings us to number 2 things that we are going to do on how you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour and also your subscribers really quick. So now the second thing you're going to do is to go to Instagram. And once you go to Instagram, okay, once you go to Instagram, you're going to look for shorts that are going viral, which is those viral shorts. And if you're looking for those shorts that are going viral, you're going to look for shorts that are trending very well. Take, for example, we want to look for wedding shorts, okay? So let's say wedding shorts, wedding, okay? Or let's do this Bella's wedding and the rest of that. So in this Bella's wedding, you can see that there are a lot of viral videos here, and you can see the likes that she have. So when you have this kind of shorts or this kind of reels that you've gotten on Instagram, you can not only do this on Instagram, you can also do this on TikTok, okay? Now, the next thing for you to do now is to go to your Play Store. And once you go to your Play Store, you are going to download Instagram Downloader. If you're using TikTok, you're going to be using what is called SnipTik. And that SnipTik will remove all the watermark for you. Let me show you the Instagram Downloader. Now, this Instagram Downloader for video downloader will enable you to have that video in your phone without watermark. So I have one here, which is my Instagram Downloader here. Sorry, this is InShot. I have my Instagram Downloader here. Let me open it for you guys. Now you can see my instant downloader. And for this, my instant downloader, I download videos directly from Instagram without having any copyright issue. You use the free version, because I always use the free version, whereby you have ads display, and after the ads just display, that is it. And then you can be able to download them. And once you download them, you are coming to YouTube to upload them. You don't just come and upload anyhow you want to upload. Now, let's take, for example, that I want to upload that video. And let's assume that I'll use one of my videos now as an example, right? Now, the thing that you're going to do is once you click on short, you're going to go ahead and click like this. And once you click, let's assume that this particular video that I did the screen record of, the first one, is the one that I want to use on this particular short. Now, if you click on done in this particular short, make sure that the short is 0 to 59 seconds. Don't take shots that is long, please. Make sure it's 0 to 59 seconds, approximately 1 minute. Shots that is very short, they go faster or move faster than the ones that are lengthy or the ones that are long, right? Now, if this is done processing, I want this to be done processing, or let me take a video that is very, very short, which is my own video, because it's like this 3 minutes is making it to... Now, let's take this, my video. And now I want to upload this one, then I click on done. And once I click on done, just watch the next thing I'm going to be doing once this is done processing. You understand? Because you don't just go and just upload short like that, and later you come and start crying, Sonia, I'm not going viral. Nothing is happening. You understand? Now, this is it. If I click on the mark good like this, I'm going to have what? Text. Now, click on this text and write something that is very catchy on the text. Write something that is very catchy. And once you write something that is very catchy, you drag this and put done. Now, you're going to minimize this so that people that are seeing from the FYP will be attracted with this particular caption that you already give it. You understand? And now, once you are done like this, you go ahead and click next. And once you click next, it is not done. No. The next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to click on this pencil icon. If you click on this pencil icon now, you are going to what? Choose a thumbnail for the shorts. I'm going to be doing a different detailed explanation video how your videos can actually go viral, or your short videos can go viral, right? Now, if you click on the pencil, it is going to show you different thumbnails that you can use for your short videos. So you're going to look for the place that is very, very catchy. So let's just assume that this place on my own is very, very catchy. And then if I look for this place that is very catchy, I'll go ahead and mark good. You can see it's that right now is there. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on what? Caption. And then you're going to be captioning this according to what will captivate people. If it's wedding, for example, I can say bride of the year. Wow, what this bride did, or this bride made this groom cry. You put some emojis there and the rest of that. So after typing, it's not going to end there. You're also going to go ahead to add what? Hashtags. So if you don't have already made hashtags there, you can go ahead and click hashtag viral. I'm giving you the popular ones now. Hashtag. Okay, sorry. You go back again, hashtag YouTube or YouTubers. You can see if I even type YouTube, you can see 145 million. So you're going to look for these ones that have plenty million views and use those hashtags. And once you are done, please don't forget that you are going to what? Click on altered content. No. That's number one. Apart from altered content, no, you are also going to what? Allow video and audio remixing. Once you are done like this, you are going to go ahead and do what? Make sure that your videos is not meant for kids. And then you click on upload. I don't want to click on upload because I don't want this to upload to my channel. And then you click on upload. And when you're doing this short thing, you're going to be doing this short thing for, let me end my screen, right? You're going to be doing this short video thing, like 10 videos in a day. When I mean 10 videos, 10 catchy, interesting videos. I have people that are coming to my YouTube live stream to tell me that Vibe with Sonia, my videos hit 10 million views. This particular guy here that I'm showing you here, Honor, his video hits millions and millions of views. He short videos. Go and check how he's doing his video. You will notice that the videos are catchy. People are still making money from short videos. People are still cashing out on short videos. So you must not only cash out on long form videos. People are cashing out on restream. People are cashing out on live stream videos. So there are different ways for you to cash out. So don't even start coming here to think that, oh, if I do this, I wish I'm going to... You are going to cash out. Now, for those of you that use shorts, that the short is not your own, the only thing you can do for me now is, once you get your 1,000 subscribers, delete all the shorts. Once you get your 1,000 subscribers, delete every short that you're seeing there. Once you get your what? Your 1,000 subscribers. I know why I'm repeating it, because some persons will still leave it and they will accumulate subscribers east, west, north, and south from short videos. Delete it. Now, if you're using Restream now, you see that you're doing two things. You're doing short, you're doing Restream, right? Now, if the videos that you're using to do Restream is going viral and they are giving you watch hour, and you know that they are your videos, my darlings, get your 4,000 watch hour, get your 1,000 subscribers, stop the short end and continue your videos and your Restream. That is why if you still go to this my lady's channel, she will tell you that, Sonia, I am still doing Restream. You understand? Because she is doing it, now that she's monetized, she's getting paid out of it. And you can also be among one of those people that will get monetized and get paid if you listen to this, my rules and regulation. You can see that just two things. You get your 4,000 and your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days or in less than 3 days. You don't need to do so much. And I've given you guys practical example. And if you want me to help you, go into your channel, see what is happening, see what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. That is why Sonia is here. My job here is to help you grow on YouTube. I always tell you guys, I am the PG version of YouTube. Now, what I do basically is, when I go into your channel, I see what is happening. I will be able to know what to minus and what to add. With these flyers displayed on the screen and with this mail that is on that flyers, fit3195@gmail.com. Send me a mail and tell me that, Vibes, I want to take my channel to the next level. Is it the 1 day class? Is it the 2 days class? One week class, 2 weeks class, or you want the 30 days class? We are here for you. But by the time we are done with your channel, even yourself, you go testify. If you ask people where come, they know. If you ask this my lady Ritana, she will always tell you, go to Vibe with Sonia's class. Even on my live stream, she always says it. Because she met me when her subscribers was not even up to 100 subscribers. And to the glory of God, not by my power, to the glory of God, because I vow not to take his glory. God has been able to help us strive through this, and we got it right. And you too, we can get yours right too. Now, if you have not even built channel at all, you're still confused. Should I build? Should I not build? Should I open? Should I not open? I don't even know how to open. We still help you. That is our job. Now, our job be that. All I do for you basically is to do what? Build your channel from scratch. And trust me, You're not going to regret it. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And if you have not subscribed to this beautiful girl's channel, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.